Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a full, detailed look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, an ultra-luxury tourer that redefines what a recreational vehicle can be. Rolls-Royce created this not just as a motorhome, but as a mobile palace for the most refined journeys on Earth. It blends artisan craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, sumptuous comfort, and bespoke detailing, the sort of thing you don't just live in but experience. Let's break it all down from the ground up so you can understand exactly what makes this vehicle extraordinary before we dive in. Note that the image you've shared looks like an imaginative concept version. It isn't a real production vehicle offered by Rolls-Royce today. But the details here are what such a vehicle would embody if built to true Rolls-Royce standards. Think about the ghost and phantom spirit, extended into a mobile living space worthy of royalty. Heads of state, or anyone who wants the pinnacle of luxury travel. Exterior design, a grand presence. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is its presence. Where typical RVs have a utilitarian look, this vehicle exudes confidence and refinement from every angle. At the front, the classic Rolls-Royce rectilinear grille sits proudly above the bumper, flanked by modern adaptive LED headlamps that deliver not just light but a lighting signature worthy of the brand. The overall silhouette is tall and commanding, but every panel and surface feels intentional, weighted with purpose rather than clunky or awkward. The body surfaces are smooth and flowing, executed in colors that suggest modern artwork more than a vehicle. Deep metallic blacks, opulent silvers, rich creams, or bespoke coach paint options tailored to the owner. Chrome accents are minimal but purposeful. Around windows, integrated rain channels, and accent strips that interact with light beautifully as the vehicle moves. Where most motorhomes look boxy, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome appears sculpted. Sculpted wheel arches house massive, multi-spoke alloy wheels that balance strength with elegance. Because this is a vehicle that must impress both at 60 miles per hour and when parked beside a luxury hotel driveway. The ride height is generous but poised, suggesting that while this is a long-distance tour, it's still meant to ride with the effortless composure Rolls-Royce is known for. The rear is refined, not busy. Elegant LED taillights echo a minimalist interpretation of the classic Rolls-Royce look, framed by polished trim that wraps cleanly into the body panels. A subtle integrated spoiler and hidden exhaust outlets keep the design crisp. Folding steps and entry points are hidden behind panels that align perfectly with the body when closed. A true sign of considered craftsmanship. Interior, a mobile sanctuary of opulence. If the exterior announces authority, the interior whispers sanctuary. Stepping inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is like entering a private, ultra-luxury suite, but one that can move you across continents. Materials and craftsmanship. Rolls-Royce never cuts corners on materials, and in this motorhome concept, every surface reflects that philosophy. Hand-stitched leather upholstery covers seats, consoles, and trim panels. Open-pore natural wood veneers are book-matched, so that patterns flow from one surface to the next. Polished metal and crystal accents highlight control knobs, air vents, and door handles. Everywhere you look there is intentional symmetry and precision. No panel misaligned, no grain mismatched. Even practical surfaces feel sumptuous, durable enough for full-time living, yet finished with the attention to detail you'd expect in a Rolls flagship sedan. Seating and living space. The motorhome is laid out like a discreet home on wheels. Front cabin, bespoke captain's chairs with heating, ventilation, and multi-way power adjustments. A panoramic windshield with auto-dimming glass makes highway travel a relaxing experience. Living salon. Move past the cab and you enter a lounge crafted for conversation. Thick carpeting or optionally fine wood floors, oversized chairs, and a convertible sofa that easily becomes a bed are arranged around a grand center space. Privacy zones. Sliding doors or partitions separate the living area, bedroom, and bathroom. Each luxurious in its own right. Bedroom suite is sleeping areas and a camper bed. It's more like a 5-star hotel suite. A full-size bed with premium mattress and customizable firmness. Built-in wardrobes with ambient lighting. Privacy blinds integrated into massive panoramic side windows. Bathroom and spa, a sanctuary on the road. The bathroom is nothing like a typical motorhome's cramped wet room. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome offers a full-size shower with rainfall head and body jets, premium ceramic finishes and real metal hardware, heated floors and integrated towel, ambient lighting and privacy. Glass. Rolls-Royce designers treat even the bathroom as an intentional space, calming, luxurious, and engineered for comfort. Tech and connectivity, intelligent, seamless. Invisible technological integration in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is slick and intuitive. A central gesture-sensitive touchscreen controls navigation, climate, audio, lighting, and media. Voice-activated controls respond with natural language. Understanding rear seat entertainment features, individual screens and wireless headphone support, integrated satellite connectivity ensures you're always online. Even off the grid. Optional Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB-C ports. Keep everyone connected and charged. Climate control is zoned. Separate settings for the salon, bedroom, and cabin ensure comfort no matter where you're parked. Performance. Smooth, silent, and effortless. Rolls-Royce vehicles are known for their serene ride quality and effortless power, and the motorhome would be no exception. Powertrain. This motorhome concept would likely be powered by a luxury-tuned V12 hybrid or a bespoke electrified drivetrain, delivering instant torque, smooth acceleration, silent cruising, exceptional refinement. The emphasis is not on sporty performance but on effortless, whisper quiet propulsion, essential for long journeys where every mile should feel relaxed and composed. Adaptive air suspension, active noise cancellation, and dynamic chassis control would combine to make even long stretches of highway feel like gliding on air. Whether you're cruising at highway speeds or navigating rural roads, the ride remains serene and controlled. Safety and driver assistance, modern confidence even in a vehicle as luxurious as this. Safety is integral and seamlessly integrated, including adaptive cruise control with active steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian, cyclist detection, lane keeping assist, and lane departure mitigation, blind spot monitoring with surround view cameras, night vision assistance, driver attention monitoring, built-in GPS with terrain-aware navigation. Because this motorhome is large, advanced guidance systems help the driver feel confident and supported at every turn. Practicality and real-world usability. Despite its ultra-luxury nature, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is designed to be usable. Spacious storage compartments both inside and under the chassis, modular organization systems for luggage, gear, and personal items, so slide-out steps and automatic leveling systems for easy entry-exit on all surfaces. Solar or auxiliary power options for extended off-grid stay, luxury and practicality. Here are not opposing forces, they're integrated. Ownership. Experience and value. Owning a Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just about the vehicle, it's about the lifestyle you'd expect. Concierge support for maintenance and travel planning worldwide. Service network with factory-trained technicians. Custom commissioning options to tailor every detail to your preferences. Exceptional resale value thanks to the brands prestige and build quality. This isn't a cookie-cutter RV. It's a bespoke mobile estate. Final thoughts. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, whether real or conceptual, represents a fascinating fusion of automotive craftsmanship, home-level comfort, intelligent technology, effortless propulsion, executive class. Living it stands apart from every conventional motorhome, camper van, or luxury RV on the road today because it blends heritage, refinement, and imagination in every detail. It's a vehicle designed for those who view travel not just as transportation but as an elevated experience worthy of dignity and indulgence. If you'd like trim breakdowns, possible powertrain details, pricing estimates, or comparisons to other ultra-luxury motorhomes, just let me know, and I'll go even deeper.